I was sent this smoker kit for my review, and this thing is pretty cool because it does two things and not just for drinks. Now, it is a smoker. I love the fact that it is a smoker box, right? So you put your things in here, whatever you have to smoke. In this case, I will be smoking a drink, so I'm just gonna place it in here, and I'll get to that in just a second, but because I wanna show you the rest of the stuff that you can do with this. Now, it does have a really nice bamboo tray. Love the fact that they have these little handles because this bamboo tray will actually go inside the box as well, and it's great for, if you wanna smoke charcuterie, smoke cheeses in there. It's fantastic. You should definitely try it if you've never tried it before. So very easy to do, of course. And then what do you smoke exactly? Well, look at what comes in the kit. You've got oak, cherry, beech, peach, apple, and pear. And so I'm gonna try it. Let's try pecan. I said peach, but it is pecan. Look at this, full to the brim. We're gonna use just a little bit, and this is where the smoker is gonna be. So that's where you ignite the actual little bit of pebbles here in that wood, those wood chips. So let's put just a little bit. And I'm not sure what this hole is here for. What I'm gonna use this for is kind of like just storage. So I can either store these up. I'm probably gonna put in the actual butane torch that comes with the kit as well. That's a pretty cool thing. And the other thing that I wanna show you is that, of course, you would think I'm gonna burn this and then how is the smoke gonna enter this box right here, right? To actually smoke my drink. Well, let me show you the back of this thing because it does have batteries and it does come with the 2 AA batteries that you insert here. And then you've got that switch. As soon as you turn that switch on, there's a little fan and a pump and it fans down, right? It suctions down and vacuums down that smoke and brings it out through that little hole right here. So that's gonna come out full of billowing smoke and it's gonna get trapped into that box and you leave it as long as you want, whether it's cheeses, like I said, or drinks, you leave it as long as you want, depending on how smoky you want this to be. So let's try this pecan. I'm gonna just burn a little bit. So as you can see, nothing's happening because I haven't turned it on yet. And check this out. I'm gonna turn on the vacuum and look at that. Fully smoked. Let me actually close it so I'm secure down here. There you go, wow. Now that is a lot of smoke. Super cool. So I can stop it, obviously. If I stop it, it's gonna stop billowing in and it's just gonna come out of that little chimney right here. And of course, I just wanna see what it's gonna do to my drink. Check this out. Almost feels like a magic trick. Look at that. Look at that. And of course, smoky, flavorful, depending, of course, on the wood chips that you put in there. Super cool kit. I mean, I've tried different types of kits. I feel like this is the kind of thing that you would bring out in front of families and friends and kind of offer them a drink and bring out the show type of thing. I think that's pretty cool for that. And love the fact that it comes with this entire kit. Even comes with really easy to follow instructions, very well labeled, and an extra, and that is rare on these types of kits, an extra little kind of filter and a brush, a metal brush to clean it out when you're done. This thing is super cool.